districts from here all the way down to the end of Waikiki. Songs have a way of connecting us to the people and the places that came before us. You got to see the wonderful hula stylings of Hālau, Mōhala, ʻIlima. We are happy to be sharing the evening with them because we are all part of Ko'ola Poko. Māpuana has created such a lovely body of work with her husband Kihei over the years. But we acknowledge where that work started out as a student of a lovely lady named Auntie Mai Kiayu. This song was written by Kahuano Lake, who admired her as a beautiful woman, a woman that he hoped would be his wife. So Māpuana, ai hea oe, e hula mai ke hula ono. Well, the word sang as you were searching amidst all the beauties in the land. Well, here am I. Oh, just wait. So glance this way at these eyes. For these are unforgettable eyes, and they stir up this fluttering in the heart. And so this love is bound together with these 8 strands that represent our families and our home. For this is a love never to part. And I know you will be with me always. Oh, song of aloha written from Māpuana's Kumu and Mai Piaio.